Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do the unboxing of my first gaming phone, and it comes to us from Nubia. This is the Red Magic 3S. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so we have the Red Magic 3S made by Nubia. They were a off-brand by ZTE, but it looks like ZTE has sold off a lot of their stock of Nubia Red Magic or whatever, so they're not 100% with ZTE, but they are at the same time. This is the Red Magic 3S, my first gaming phone. Now, they did have a Red Magic 3, but with this one you do have the 855 Plus processor, and I do have the variant for only 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal memory. They do have another one that's for $599, which is the 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 of internal memory, but I have the one with 128 and 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is entirely perfect for me, and I paid about $484, no taxes, and I did get the faster shipping for the extra $5, so it's really $480. Now, I did have the promo one that was from their Halloween special, and it came with these headphones right over here. So this did come with these headphones right over here. So these came for free. They're about $15 to the website. You could either pick the free case or the headphones. So I chose the headphones because you can never have too much wired headphones, and especially because this has a headphone jack. So big shout out to the guys who have the Asus ROG Phone 2. That's the one that I'm currently looking at right now. I really had to decide, and I figured for a gaming phone, I don't want to go over $600, even though it does have the specs and it does have the RGB and all that stuff. I figured for under $500 brand new, this would be a perfect addition for what I'm looking for. And because of the air triggers, I play a lot of Call of Duty Mobile, so I definitely want to get my game up. So let's just start the unboxing. I know I talked a whole lot, and whatever, it is what it is. So let's just take a look at the box itself. So you do have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, touch sensitive shoulder triggers. I think that ROG calls them air triggers, but it does have a high efficiency cooling fan. You do have the RGB strip. You have a 6.65 inch 90 hertz full HD display, so this thing is only 1080p. Do have the dual front speakers, which is pretty dope as well. 4D haptic vibration and a 5000 milliamp battery, and the back does have a 48 megapixel rear, 16 megapixel front camera on the front, and it does have the game space button. All right, so let's just pop this out. There's a lot of specs for $480. So here's the phone itself. Beautiful design. You do have the logo for Red Magic right there. So let's just pop this baby out. Okay, put that to the side. Let's see what you get in the box. This is the first time that I'm actually unboxing this part here. So you do get your SIM ejection tool, and you have some stickers and a manual from Red Magic. So let's just pop this out. Let's see what this is. This looks like could be the power brick or the cable, one or the other. All right, so we have the cable right here. Let's see what it's clocked in at. The Nubia adapter looks like it's 3 amps 1.5. so let's see what else we got in the box. This should be the Type-C cable. So we have this heavy duty cable, Type-C to Type-A. It looks like a decent size as well. So let's just put everything to the side just like so, and let's take a look at the phone itself. Let's pop this out of its packaging. Alright, okay, that was extra ugly. But here's the phone itself. This thing is a beauty, guys. This thing is beautiful. Now, for $480, you're getting all these specs, dual front speakers, 855 Plus processor. So now, if anybody's curious on what the 855 and the 855 Plus difference is just basically they made it a little bit faster. So they overclocked the 855 to make it run a little bit faster. Now, this does have a built-in fan. You got the Type C, you got the dual speakers, 48 megapixel camera. You do have your fingerprint scanner in the back. Now, this does come in a black color as well, but that one is not available yet. So the one for the 128, it only comes in this color that you see right here. And they do have another variant, which is 256, 12 gigabytes of memory, and it's in a red, white, and blue color, which it's cool, but definitely not my cup of tea. But this one definitely is. This thing is absolute gorgeous. It does have that cold feeling in the back, so it has that aluminum feel, just like the HTC phones from back in the day. You do have a little cooling fan vent right here, and we have our shoulder triggers, which I am calling air triggers. So let's just power this baby on, just like so. In my personal opinion, for $480, this phone definitely has the specs for it. Now, lo and behold, I have been using this for a few days, so I will have my first impressions in the next video, because I do have a lot to say about it. But this is what it is. You do have the logo for Red Magic 3S right over there. So that's about it for the unboxing. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Red Magic products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh man, I'm ready for this one. Later.